Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw and deposit the money to Phemex account, and let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to be logged in into your profile. Then go at the right top corner, you will see this icon with wallet type. So go right here, and then you will see here two options: deposit and withdraw. So let's go first one, deposit. Then if you have crypto assets, click here deposit crypto. All right, and here you will select the coin, the network, also like that. You can also buy with your credit card. So here you just set the amount you want to pay, and here it will show up how much USDT you will get for that price, which for this uh, price that you set. And then what you do is just hit buy, and right here you will put in your information like that, and you will be good to go. Now to withdraw, just go back here to the wallet at the top right corner, click withdraw, and right here fiat withdraw, and right here you will select the currency which you want to withdraw, so USD for example. Set the amount, and then you will see here option wire transfer. This one is available, and then just hit withdraw, and you will be basically also ready to go. So it will arrive in 1 and 2 business days, so you need to wait a little bit. But yeah, this is how you can withdraw and deposit in Phemex account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next